Since it's 4th of July and it's America's 250th birthday, we're going to do a little different video today. Noah, my son, got him a new gun and we're going to look at it, and it's pretty cool. It's from the CMP, comes in this case, and that's the Civilian Marksmanship Program, right? So this is another M1 Garand, and we did a video when he bought his first one, and I don't know why I'm hollering. I got her mic here, but it was a World War II version, a World War II veteran actually. This one is a, did you say 53 or 4? 54, and bought it from the government, and it is a beautiful piece of work here. Now this is unloaded. Last video somebody got mad, but the way I edited it, it looked like it was loaded, but it's not. So this is not loaded, but this is called a special rack grade. And I mean, this is a beautiful weapon, isn't it? I don't know if this has been replaced, you know. The stock has been replaced. It has their stamp on it right here. And one of the reasons he's wanted it, because this is made by International Harvester. I don't know if that'll show up or not.
Oh. Okay.
And of course, you know, International Harvester make tractors among other things, and that's one of the things that we found interesting, or he found interested about. And so he went ahead and bought it. And this is probably one of my M1, the World War II one is one of my favorite ones. So, but he said I could take this one deer hunting. He wouldn't let me take the World War II one deer hunting, but this one he said I could. So we're gonna get this thing loaded up and get our air protection and do some shooting. We downrange probably, I don't know, 100 yards. Wouldn't you say? We got a target set up. We're not got any watermelons or pumpkins. I figured in Labor Day or something like that, maybe we'll have some more watermelons and some pumpkins, and be more fun to shoot. And we'll bring some of our other weapons down, so and do those. I got a nice pistol for my birthday, and I want to show you that. But we're gonna get this thing loaded up, and get our air protection, and we're gonna cap off some rounds and see how it shoots. So this is a close-up of the case it comes in. It's really nice. There's their website in case you're interested. Super nice case. And this is the clip that it takes. If you've seen Band of Brothers, you know that. And I think it's an 8-round. I guess they come like this in the war, don't they? We have to load this one. But at the end you hear that ping, and that's this little metal part ejected. All right, I'm gonna get my ear protection on, and we're gonna fire some rounds. Okay, so this has got a safety on it. I don't know if anybody really knew that, but it's on safe. I think I got 4 shots in here, and we got a target down range here. So did you see the little ring at the end? So here's the clip that we have to load. But man, this thing is sweet. I think it actually shoots a little better than the other one. It's because it's newer, I guess. I mean, it's a 1954 model. Probably didn't go to war. The other one might have seen some action. But this thing is kicked, and when he was shooting, I was filming him. He won't be on this video, but just for the fun of it, and he could feel concussion of it, boom, 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 every time he'd shoot. But it's powerful, isn't it? So if we ever get invaded, I'm taking this gun. You can have the ARs and all of the AKs and all that. We've got all those, but I'm taking this gun. This will be my weapon of choice. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. A little something different. M1 Garand. Patton called this what the most important.
The greatest battle implement.
Yeah, the greatest battle implement ever made, General Patton said. And you can see why. I mean, you can lay down some cover and fire. You can knock somebody out at 500 yards, I think, or 300 yards anyway. Semi-automatic. It's going against bolt action. This is an awesome piece of equipment here. You gonna get a sling for it, or are you just gonna leave it like it is?
I don't know.
Yeah, he's got like his other one. He's got the World War II military sling and the bayonet. So, I mean, if we get invaded, I'll have to have that one because maybe we'll have to do a bayonet charge or something. But I'm just kidding. All right, appreciate you watching. M1 Garand, sweet rifle. If you're thinking about getting one, I mean, he bought this with his own money. We're not sponsoring nothing. Go over to their website and check it out. I can't remember. He did some things that you have to do to get one, and I don't remember what they are now, but you can go over and look. So anyway, appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you down here at the farm in the next video.